All right, so it just come up. So if you do, Mr. Sumter, if you do, you go to the computer, you use it, right? Leave it on, come back, somebody else use it, come back, somebody else use it, come back, somebody else use it, right? It stays on. What happens over time?
I don't know, been 6 months since I used it.
Huh? What would happen over time, Claire? It'll get slow, right? Huh? No, not overheat. Well, not necessarily, because you got your fan and whatever working.
Your RAM will fill up, so that way your system will slow down.
Well, I wouldn't say fill up. Because even if you get in and get out, you're freeing up the memory.
It processes things slower, it takes longer.
Correct.
Or download things.
Correct. Now, why is that though? What's the term?
You're randomly filling up these slots where you need to store to open up space.
Okay, yeah, you're on the right track. Your RAM become fragmented. Okay, what's fragmented? Okay, what it means is it becomes broken down into small pieces of memory. Now, you say, well, why is that? If the memory is there, then it can be used. True. Let me ask you something, Mr. Sumter. If you had a document, right, say 10 pages long, right? You gave that document, say, to your son. Say, son, hold this, I'll be back to pick it up. When you go back to get it, or when you need to get it, where do you go? To your son. He has it, you get it, right? Now, say you had 10 sons, just example, 10 sons. Now, you gave one sheet to each individual son. Each one lived in different places. Then you need to retrieve that document. What's the time you think it may take to retrieve that document? Yeah, so, and that's the same principle with computers. What happens is, when you first cut the computer on, you have a contiguous space of memory, meaning that beginning and end is free. So when I open up an application, start, stop, right? But over time, as I keep opening and closing documents or opening and closing applications, if I open up a 10K document, all right, that's 10K used. When I closed it, that end mark is at that 10K. But then if I open up a 3K document,